Go say happy birthday.
Oh no, what happened, buddy?
He's like oblivious.
Hey, I just what is the deal? Hey, baby. Hey, pretty good. No, what are you doing? Hey, baby. Hey, I wasn't expecting it.
Yep.
Anyway, I think it's kind of cool. Alyssa made this shirt out. She put a cow in here, like a bull for the A, and Army veteran up here for the. And,
that is the Mandalorian, and that is Yoda.
That's a bull.
That is Yoda.
That looks like a bull from upside down. Anyway, it looks like, and that looks like a veteran upside down. Oh well.
You are so funny. Did you realize that these were lightsaber T-shirts?
I
The
did
rest
not.
of us were.
No,
You didn't notice that?
No, I didn't.
You thought that was a pencil?
I thought it was a pencil. I thought that's kind of creative since she's a school teacher.